Tired of fumbling for your Bookmyshow ticket at the cinema entrance? Here's how to add it effortlessly to your Apple Wallet for a stress-free movie night. First things first, open your Bookmyshow app and navigate to your confirmed ticket. You'll find it under the My Bookings or Upcoming Shows section. Once you've located your ticket, look for the clearly marked Add to Apple Wallet button. It's usually a bright, easily identifiable option right on the ticket details screen. Tap on this button to initiate the process. Your iPhone will then prompt you to add the ticket to your wallet. You'll see a preview of your ticket, including essential details like the movie title, showtime, and seat number. To confirm, tap the Add button in the top right corner. And just like that, your Bookmyshow ticket is now safely stored in your Apple Wallet. You can easily access it by double-clicking the side button or by opening the Wallet app directly. When you arrive at the cinema, simply unlock your iPhone, open your wallet, and present the ticket for a quick and seamless scan. Enjoy your movie.